Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Thakur. I work as a program coordinator for ADRA Germany. Currently I am based in India in the state of West Bengal, and I operate from here and support the humanitarian department of ADRA Germany. Today I am going to tell you a little bit about the cyclone Amphan that have impacted the state of West Bengal in India as well as the coastal part of Bangladesh. Since the cyclone have passed, it's raining every day, almost every day in West Bengal, almost like south and northern part of West Bengal, as well as in Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is now expecting a monsoon from the early June. So the devastation that have not only caused a huge impact on human life, but the monsoon is also putting a huge threat in the lives of people in India as well as in Bangladesh. The cyclone that have made landfall on 21st evening in West Bengal, that have made a huge devastation in both the countries, in India as well as in Bangladesh. In India, total 86 people has been died as per the government report, and in Bangladesh, total 22 people have died so far. The major impact of this cyclone Amphan was on the shelter that have damaged thousands and thousands of shelters, mostly the temporary shelters which are made up of bamboo and mud. And also it has a huge devastating impact on water and sanitation supply. Basically, most of the people in those remote areas are dependent on the tube wells, but the flood that is caused due to the cyclone and heavy rain have inundated those areas. Those areas are fully covered by water, and most of the water points on which people were dependent are contaminated either by the dirt, or also in Bangladesh most of the water points are contaminated by saline water, which is like not possible to drink at the moment. So there is a huge need for repairing, cleaning and chlorination of those water pumps so that people should have access to safe drinking water as well as for other domestic purpose. Now the major problem here is also the corona crisis. The people are living in the overcrowded evacuation camps and the relief camps, which is also poses a greater risk of corona transmission. So the shelter repairing or shelter assistance is also the immediate need that will also not only help people from recovering from the impact of the cyclone, but also that will reduce the risk of transmission of the COVID crisis. There was a huge devastating damage to the standing agriculture crops, especially to paddies and also to cash crop. The livelihood is mostly dependent on agriculture crop, and most of the trees are uprooted in both the countries, India and Bangladesh. So there is an urgent need of shelter assistance. The food ration, basically a dry food ration, people have lost their livelihood due to the lockdown and the restrictions imposed because of the corona crisis, and now their dependence in agriculture is also gone due to the cyclone Amphan. And also people have lost their household belongings, so household belongings are also needed, which is basically the non-food items. And also there is immediate need of restoration of water supply system or provision of water in the areas. So this is the time for us to stand with the cyclone Amphan affected people in West Bengal as well in Bangladesh.